Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border width with predefined 10 value. So quickly, let's use this. Back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS border width with px, but right now we are discussing about this using 10. This border width is the one we are talking about. Let me break it so you can see it clearly. Now let's change this value right here and use 10. Save our document and get back to the document. Can you see we are having these straight lines? Can you see it's very thin? So can you see that is the benefit of using the predefined width and border width value, just to give it this kind of size. Can you see our border size is now having what? It's now having this thin size. So when I'm talking about the width here, note that I'm talking about the size. So anytime you had me talk about width, definitely I'm talking about the size right here. The width of the border. Can you see how thin it is? So let's get back to our document again and change this body. Let's change it to fit set. Let's use it in our fit set elements. Reload your document. Now let's see. Can you see? Wow. See how our fit set element is looking? See how thin everything is. Just like the default fit set border. Can you see? See this round border right here? It's very nice. It's looking nice, right? So we can always use this in our document. This is so reasonable, right? We can use this thin value. It's a predefined value in our what? Border width property. So always use this anytime you need something like that. So, and again, you can use it also in another domain. Let's say we use it only in any element that is having this fit set as class, and we got one element that is having fit set class, which is this one. So only this one is going to have the thing. Let's reload. Now let's get back to our document. Can you see only this one is having the red tiny something? Can you see the tiny border around the box right here? So that is one of the benefits of using the thin predefined value inside our CSS border width property. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Peace.